perfect rubbish and recycling bin system set up until something happened. Because of this problem, I'm going to have to upgrade all these bins. So this is a completed setup. So I've got general waste in this one, recycling in this one. It's a toilet discs to keep the toilet fresh and clean. They contain 2 of these dispensers. It's as easy as that. There's 6 discs in each one. This time we're going to be alpine touring, which is similar to cross-country skiing, as we'll see in a minute.
Just a beautiful bluebird sunny day today at Perisher.
As promised, ecopenny viewers, I've made it to the Mudgee Cycling Classic 2021.
Nervously waiting at the start line.
3, 2, 1, let's go! Mudgee Classic 2021!
This time I'm going to answer the number 1 question. How do you ride a penny farthing and how do you get on and off? Welcome ecopenny viewers to the National Penny Farthing Championships 2020 in Evandale.
It's been a hard day today.
It's been a bloody hard day.
Always races.
Thank goodness we got Johnny Kitchen push bikes.
Yeah.
Penny farthings. If we didn't have Johnny Kitchen penny farthings, we wouldn't be able to do anywhere near as good as what we are.
No.